Oh, imagine he knocks it off.
Why is that instead?
Get on. Not fair. Go on. Oh, I know. Go away from my egg.
Peacock. How's it gonna get down? The big peahen. It's a peahen.
No, Backward, no. No poking.
Don't you flush it in the eyes and make the egg.
No, it's not. It's trying to get it out.
Can he not fly down in there? See? How do you know he's getting it? How do you know he's not cleaning?
Where's Cocky? Cocky bird is eating your bread.
He's kicking all the seeds out.
No way. Cocky bird is eating Backward's bread. You guys, did I know this? I don't know.
Maybe he's a cuckoo and trying to kick it out. Maybe he's a cuckoo and he's trying to kick it out.
Oh look, it's moving. The egg is actually moving forward. I just don't want the egg to fall out.
I know. We have to keep filming it because if I don't,
It's so close to the edge.
the baby hits its egg. Having a picture. I'm filming the bird. Yes, it makes the egg fall out. The egg's nearly falling out.
It's so close. Let's go away.
It's not when we don't see it. I'm not moving the tripod from where it is.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get them. Filming it to watch it get kick the egg out. Oh! Might land on a quail. That'd be hilarious. And then the quail kicks it out. Quail, I just realised. Oh yeah, quail's a small bird. Quails are in there. You just add the bread for the birds. I think
It's so close. It's like, wait,
it's filming a bird.
yeah, Molly's filming it.
It's gone away now.
No, it's there.
It's gone.